Say man, we all about $1. Say man, we all about this business. Say man, you know we about our business. Say man, it's a box truck thing. Say man, it's a business thing. Say man, we all about $1. It's business thing. We up in here. Business thing. You know we up in here. What's poppin', y'all? What's poppin'? Oh, look at the Illinois sign right there. Look at that. Welcome to Illinois. Yeah. What's up? Yeah, this is a new one. You know it's a new one. It's another one. So I got another load
In half a mile, keep left to continue on I-80 West. Use the left 4 lanes to keep left onto I-80 West toward Wisconsin, Iowa.
Shit, hater. So I'm heading to Illinois. I just got into Illinois, as you can see. If I go pick up a load, this load is going to Kansas, right? I just dropped off a load in Indiana, which is like 20 minutes ago. Now,
keep left to continue on I-80 West.
Shit, hater. I'm going to pick up another load.
Keep left.
We're going to head to Kansas and we got another
continue
load.
on I-80 West for 7 miles. In 6.6 miles, rotate right to merge onto I-80 West toward I-57.
Y'all don't laugh. I know y'all laugh. But I have like 3 GPS running. You know, one for this, one for that, one for that. But look, I have a load going to Kansas right now, and I got another load in Kansas waiting on me. You know, we booming. We gonna sit out in the Midwest, man, because the Midwest ain't nothing popular like the Midwest right now. It's a Midwest swing. But yeah, y'all rock out with me, man. We're gonna see what this load looking like. We're gonna see if we got space. To be honest, I don't even know if I got space. I should, because my dispatcher's booking partials. My dispatcher booked this. I ain't booked none of these. My dispatcher had them lined up. Oh, I got one for you this day, that day. I got 2 for you that day, 3 days. You know, my dispatcher been booming, man. I said, dang, I ain't even had time to look up no loads. Cause she ahead of me. So you know what I'm saying, like, if y'all look for dispatcher service, man, reach out to me, man. I can connect y'all with my dispatcher. You know, we have we're putting something together. We're putting something together. You know what I mean? Something together real nice for y'all. We ain't gonna charge too much either, man. Ain't gonna be no 20%, 30%. Hey, a dispatcher tried me like that one time. 20%. I said, I know I'm new, but I ain't stupid. Big difference. But yeah. But I'm tapping in with y'all in a second. I passed right here like 100 times. This is a landmark. I don't know what this is. It's a canyon. Whatever it is, but yeah. Every time I come to Illinois, I pass this. You can see it. There we go. There we go, boy. I'm telling you, I go to some places where you question going down those streets. Like, what the heck is going on right now? Look at this. Look at the barnyard over there. I don't even know why my windshield wipers on. What the heck is going on? I didn't turn it on. So yeah, I'm about 4 minutes away. The GPS acting stupid right now because the GPS low-key lost. See, the best GPS to use when you get lost is use the Google. Apple gonna get you there
in
faster.
a 1/4 mile, turn right onto South Grascamp Boulevard.
But Apple don't necessarily calculate traffic correctly all the time, right? But for the most part, you're gonna have the
at the next
route.
stop sign, turn right.
Look at this, man. Y'all see this? Craziness, this GPS got lost. This way it brought me at this road closed thing right here, right? But I don't know if this is a one way or not, but I'm going back the way I just came from because I don't like how this look. Black man on a street that look very not welcoming for us. So I'm going back down the street. GPS be acting up, man. All right, y'all, I'm loaded. Only have 2 pallets. I didn't know it was 2 pallets. Hold on, let me, so I'm about to go secure it now. I've been waiting. I've been loaded for a while, actually. Been loaded for a while. I got secure it now. I've been loaded for like about 40 minutes now. Oh, they just move slow for no reason. Oh, that's there you go. Feature. I'm going to war on Walmart. That's it. They paying for that too. Walmart pay. They paying for that. They go right down the road. Right down the road, guys. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and secure it and then, you know, wait on my paperwork. What's up, y'all? Now, It's a yellow truck over there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can zoom in. Right there, right? Now, earlier, I was driving past. I saw a lot of police cars and ambulance. Now, I'm driving past the second time again. It bothers me. This bothers me, so I'm gonna share this with y'all. This something I need to hear. I saw a body bag, and the body bag wasn't empty. So I said, "Wow, how long he been in there? You don't know how long the guy been in there, or whatever." I really don't know what the case was, but what dropped in my spirit was we gotta take care of our body. I know you guys see me working out, trying to eat right. I'm not just doing that just to look good for y'all, right? Your health is very important. If your health not intact, not right, nothing works correctly, right? So guys, while you out there on the road, keep your health right. I know it's hard. It's hard sometimes because these truck stops, most of them, it's nothing healthy there to eat. So what I do, I bring food, or I stop. I know y'all see me stop. I stop at the dollar store. Yep, I said dollar store. Buy little nuts and stuff like that. Or you can find that in the truck stop too. But try to eat more fruits. I would say, shoot, eat as healthy as you can while you're out here. At least you can have your cheat day. Okay, maybe on Friday or the weekend you eat a little off, but don't go crazy with it. But this is the reason why I work out. Keep my heart going. Cause we sitting down all day, which is not necessarily good for you, just sitting there. So you gotta take care of yourself, man. You gotta work out, you gotta eat right. I don't know what the situation was with that gentleman, but that's what dropped in my spirit. So I'm gonna tell y'all this. When y'all come out here, come up with a routine. Even if you go walk around the truck stop. The truck stop is huge. Just walk around either in the morning or at night, whenever you can. Do some jump ropes. That's what I do for the most part. I do jump ropes. I do 500. Then I do push-ups. All that count for something, man. But that one right there touched me, man. I said, dang, sad right there, man. The truck's still over there. So yeah, make sure y'all take care of yourself, truckers. All my truckers out there, take care of yourself. Eat right. Work out. Gotta get that heart going, work that heart out. Cause a lot of these truckers, they have heart attacks. You know what I mean? Cause they eat so bad out here, man. Then they sit down all day, they're not moving. So I say that, man. Just take care of your body, man. Take care of yourself, man. The world need us. It's your boy Lendo. Yeah, I had to get it off my chest. I'm gonna holla at y'all though. Alright guys, we're here. Well, we're not here, but we're here. But I'm about to go find me something to eat. It's a truck stop like 5 minutes away from here. And that's where I'll be spending the night. And I'm about 30 minutes away from my drop off. So yeah, I'm back in Kansas. And actually, I'm about 30 minutes from my little brother's school. So yeah, I might just pull up on him tomorrow.
In 1,000 feet, use the right lane to take the I-435 south ramp.
You know where I'm going. I'm going to that Waffle House, man. Don't judge me. I'm gonna cut it out soon, man. You know what I'm about to get. Man. I'm gonna cut it out soon, though. Top of the morning, y'all. Top of the morning, it's your boy Lando. I am the Mando. So yeah, I'm about 30 minutes out from my drop off. I'm about to head over there right now. And yeah, we're gonna head over there and drop this load off. Yo, basta. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do because my next pickup not until like 3:15. So I'm gonna go ahead and look to see if I grab something else. Might just hit the gym too. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Go check my little brother out. I'm like down the street from his school. He's free. Yeah, I'm gonna tap back in here in a second though. The place just look gloomy. That's what it look like out here.
The left 2 lanes.
Yes, and I'm back here, y'all, at the Walmart DC Center. See who's back there. They got me in a cage. I've been waiting for like 30 minutes. On that 2 pallets to give them. Yeah, bro, we're gonna tap back in with y'all in a quick quick second. You know, I got whiskey. All right, y'all. This is different. So they told me back up into door 48, whatever door, that door. But they want my keys. Like what? They want my keys. I ain't never heard that. That's new. She said they want my keys. I was like, so what, y'all gonna drive my truck? Like, nah, man, we ain't doing that. But I guess it's just for safety, so you don't drive off, I guess. I don't know. Some crap like that, but whatever. Go ahead and back into the door and let them take it. What's up, y'all? I ain't let y'all know the load delivered. I'm at my next location. I just spoke with the guy. You know, you just gotta play dumb like you don't know. Do at a certain time. So I'm playing dumb right now. Hey, I gotta pick up. You know what I'm saying? It's at 3 o'clock. I gotta pick up. You know? So I just gotta play dumb. Man. Well, we're gonna see.
Fight markets, man, I push black in lane. Two duffel
over there, baby, dirty.
Yeah, if I come money till I sleep is away. Dream me, I count up kid.
Sir. So, yeah. I didn't get the load. My trick didn't work. I tried. I pulled everything I had in my bag. Pulled it out. Nothing. It's all good, though. We ain't tripping. I'm about to go to the gym. Once I go to the gym and find something good to eat, then I'm gonna come right back. You know what I'm saying? I gave the dude there my number too, so you know, we're gonna see what's what. He's supposed to call me if anybody come down, ask him, hey, call me. I'm down the street. Found a gym down the street, you know, I use the Active and Fit app, man. Make sure y'all they need to give me some money, man. I'm endorsing them. Make sure y'all check out the Active and Fit. If y'all, all right, look, if you're over the road driver, your health, your health is super important. I'll tell you that right now, man. Your health is important. I can't say that enough. Your health is important. Now, yesterday we saw a guy
In a quarter mile, use the left lane.
A body
turn
bag
left
get
onto
pulled out of a
Trinity.
truck. Now, I don't know what the issue was, but you know, what dropped in my spirit is health, man. Gotta eat right. Gotta work out. We sitting down in this truck all day, man. Look, it's not good to be sitting down all day like that. So you know, you gotta get active, gotta get that heart going, get that heart pumping. So you know, y'all sign up for Active and Fit, man. If you got your insurance, you can get in through your insurance. You have AAA, you can get in through that. I got in through USAA, which is my insurance. But it's plenty of ways. Just go on the site, call them up, Active and Fit. You over the road, man. You paying $25 a month. You don't get no better than that. That's cheaper than most membership, and you get to go to majority of all the top gyms. You go there. All the top gyms are on there, so it's not like they give you some Fugazi type, you know, Fugazi type gym. All the top gyms are there. LA Fitness, Crunch, You Fit, you know, even the Planet Fitness, which I'm about to go, because I don't see nothing better around here. All the YMCAs, stuff like that. All the LA Fitness brands, because a lot of them, you know, they change their name. All the brands still there. So check it out, man. That's all I'm saying. Check it out. I know they need to give me some endorsement money or something, man, because I'm definitely pushing them right now. But yeah, your health is very important, guys. I'm about to go to the gym right now and get it in. I'm gonna go find something to eat. Like this week, I plan on I'm gonna say starting today. I told myself I'm gonna go raw vegan for the next week and a half. For the holidays, man. You know, you got detox. Even I did detox last week. I'm doing a different detox. I'm just gonna you know, empty out the body. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all real quick. I'll be at the gym. All right, y'all. Just finished working out. I go find something to eat. I just realized I haven't ate anything all day. It's like 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna go find something to eat. Yeah, that's it though. I appreciate it. I'm gonna cut this video off right here because look out for the next video. I'm gonna vlog the next load also. I feel tired. Vlog the next load and yeah. Appreciate y'all for watching. Subscribe, like, share the whole nine. You know what it is. Your boy Lando, man. Who I am? I am the man, though. Yeah, it's raining. You see it? It's a gym right there. But I'm gonna go find something to eat. I feel like I need to take a nap. I knocked out some legs today. Maybe that's why I'm so tired. But yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all though, man. Thank y'all for watching, man. Subscribe, like, and share the whole nine. You know, it's your boy Lando. I am the man, though. Praise y'all.
Business things, business things, business things.